All right, we're at the undisclosed spot of the Chevelle, and yes, the driver is here. We're only doing it like this because it's safety, respecting him and respecting everything that goes down. So, the Chevelle is a 1971 and has
a 572. It has six. God damn it, man!
You all right?
Man, we gonna get this straight. It got six. God damn, I got 775 at the flywheel.
So we add about 6 to the tire. Correct. A little 5 speed, correct?
5 speed.
Yes, indeed. And we're gonna get a good 40 roll in. We're gonna do 2 races, and we're gonna make the best out of it. All right, we knocked the first one out. We're gonna get a rerun in just for comfortability. We're gonna go ahead and make this the last run. Have my big dog cameraman back this bitch, and we're gonna get it in.
Take him home, D. Take him home, man. D in the Hellcat. Stop playing with him, bro. Stop playing with him. We want old, new, young. It don't matter. Take him. Take him. Take him. Take him.
Who you?
Your horn.
Go.
See me and you both? On the dig. What you working with? All-wheel drive on the dig. Still gone. Still gone. Still gone. Still gone.
Look at what he done did now. He done put them big meat Larry Hoovers on the back. 305 come alive, boy. Them jumbo humerals on that unit. Plus he got an EC uterus done. Oh, it got the big molar in the front. He got the high output torch converter. I'm gonna tell you what that's gonna do. That's gonna turn all that hopping and popping into skeeting and yeeting. It's gonna let fire out the back. Smoke gonna be all in the road, boy. That thing finna get out and catch some yonder, boy. Look at what he done.